Yo, 11.
Wait. Okay,
Ain't got nothing on my wrist. Learning, not every...
You see that? Okay.
Oh.
That's what you get.
YouTube!
What's up?
Welcome back to another episode. What episode is this? 5?
This is episode 5, y'all.
Episode 5. Welcome back.
Pushing them out there for y'all. What's up?
As long as y'all keep watching, we're going to keep dropping.
Y'all see we in a different setting, different scenery. Try to do something different for y'all every time. So,
I really want to be out here this time. I can see some fireworks. We had a little couple fireworks go off so far.
We did have a couple fireworks.
So, hopefully, we'll see some more during the video. We'll try to keep y'all on game, show y'all when they come out. But until then, welcome to the podcast.
Happy New Year to y'all.
Happy New Year. 2025 coming. It feel like
a great year.
I feel like 2024 went by so fast.
It did.
A lot of memories, a lot of ups, a lot of downs, but we made it another year.
We did. Thankfully, we made it. So.
Yep. So, episode 5. Here we go.
What's up with you?
Man? None. Chilling. Bringing in the new year with you.
New year, new us. Everybody say new year, new me. Nah, new year, more content for y'all.
Definitely more content. We switched our drop dates to weekdays. We'll fill y'all on the details later in the video once we put that in there. But
that means you gotta watch it to the end.
Watch to the end and see when the drop dates are. So to our subscribers, like, share, comment,
subscribe.
Make sure y'all when y'all share it, they subscribe. So we can just drop more videos.
We're trying to grow the channel.
Yeah, grow our community, and there it is. So.
Let's get it. Let's
go. 2024 was a very fast year for me.
It was a fast year.
So
it flew by.
It's like I got memories, but it was fast. So we can recap on that. For me personally, for my 2024, it was fun. Being a dad, learning Leah at the same time, being in a relationship with Melanie, learning her at the same time. I feel like you learn something new about your partner and yourself. So, and now I got a daughter, so I'm learning about Leah.
Yes.
So. It was an adventure for me, a lot of ups, a lot of downs, but, I'm thankful God has let me see another year, an improved year of 2025, so, yeah.
No broken bones, no injuries.
No.
That's all we hope for, you know.
I'm blessed to wake up to it every day, with my family, so how was your 2024?
My 2024 was pretty good. I feel like it was a lot. 2024 for me was a year of change, and I say that because I changed jobs.
You did. You did.
Had to grow more. Just learn and teach myself that you're still growing. Don't rush the process. So things will come when it should. Things will happen as it should.
I like that because I'm still learning. Not every...
You see that? Go ahead. No, it was a bug. Okay, go ahead. You gonna see it when you play, but I swear to God, you gonna see it, bro.
I wish y'all could be back here behind this camera because
I promise you. No, I might just leave this in here because I know y'all seen it.
I don't think it did.
I swear.
You brought up change of your 2024. As far as change, what do you feel like changed about you or your environment, your circumstances in 2024 that you can either get better in 2025 or stay the same?
Personally, I feel like my mentality has grown as far as growth. Like, I was never childish. I was never a childish person. Like, I'm childish. Come on now, keep it real. Keep it real. Cause, so, anyway, my mentality has grown.
Okay,
I'm more
real talk with Can So,
say this right quick. Together, you ready?
We listen and we don't judge. As far as you said, you're not childish. I don't feel like you more so childish. I feel like you more so petty at times.
That's true. I get that to myself.
I'm glad you took that the right way.
I get that to myself.
Boom. And I mean like you 80% petty, but 20% childish.
80% petty is crazy.
I mean, you just said you was petty, so
but
obviously
80%.
Okay, say it with me.
Ready?
Say it with me.
All right.
We listen and we don't judge.
So since I'm, what do you say, petty?
Yeah.
I feel like you are, you like to get the upper hand, or he likes to be right all the time. And so any type of debate, argument we have, like...
That's cap. But yeah, I guess that was our little segment of we listen and we don't judge.
That was pretty cool.
We might have another one in there later on the video because this is Real Talk with Karen Art, so we gotta be real. So.
And also, I feel like personally that I adapted to the new work environment that I'm in now. You know, I feel like it's always hard for people to go from job to job once they get comfortable in a job. So
most definitely it's hard to do that change. You know, you didn't figure out your in and outs in your old job, and then once you get to that new job, you're like, dang, like I don't know how to maneuver in here until I really figure it out. So it take you some time. How long did it take you to really get an understanding on your new job? About like a couple weeks, couple months?
I say a couple months, just because I went from standing up all day to now sitting down all day. But the things that I have to do with the job is different as well. So, but I like it. So.
What you say? You like it? Like, you feel like it's smooth? Something
I like it.
Okay.
I got a question for you.
What's up?
What you feel like was your growth for 2024? Or how did you feel like you grew in 2024?
I would say I felt like I grew as a person. I feel like more patience. You know, I talked about patience, I want to say episode 2, but that's one thing that I definitely have took the time to understand about myself and others is patience, you know. Just in general, because I learned that, like, everybody is not going to support you. Everybody is not going to, you know, tell you to follow your dream and stuff like that. But
they really want to see you down, and it's crazy.
Yeah, but you also got to understand who you can talk to and who you can't talk to.
Who you can trust and who you can't trust.
You can't really tell everybody your dream because everybody going to shoot down your dream. Yeah, I say the biggest thing for me is patience.
All right, y'all. As y'all can see, we have our New Year's essentials on. We got our hats. I can see along with our festivities. We can't have a hat and a horn without the drinks. So water. So make sure y'all go grab y'all water too. We want to celebrate with y'all. Let's go. Cheers to 2025.
Ooh, you ain't got your chaser either.
That's 3. So with that being said, what do you feel like is your biggest accomplishments of 2024?
My biggest accomplishment has been like managing my money. So I feel like I struggled with that poorly recently in the years, you know, budgeting and, you know, saving money, saving up money. Even though that's a hard thing right now in the world. You know, everything is crazy expensive between rent, groceries. Boom, it's only going up.
It is.
So, but I feel like I got better at, you know, managing my money, saving money, you know, just so we can do stuff. Because my family got a trip in March in Mexico. Hopefully it goes through. So, you know, I'm going to take some pictures so we can put it on the cast and everything like that. Take some pictures, some videos, you know. Might do a little vlog while I'm out there. So when I come back, we can edit it, put it in there for y'all so y'all can see what type of environment we was in Mexico. I feel like it's going to be fun, you know, so I'm excited about that. So even though I went off subject, that was my biggest accomplishment, you know, saving money.
Saving money.
Yeah.
Okay.
You feel like you have a accomplishment? Or do you feel like you're still working on it in your goals?
Of course, I'm still working on my goals, you know. Can't accomplish everything at one time. So it's going to take time to work up to it. And
Rome wasn't built in a day.
Exactly. So, you know, everything takes mistakes in order for you to work up to your goals.
But don't call them mistakes, though.
It's a lesson.
Lessons.
Yeah, it is a lesson.
Yeah, you know, because God don't make mistakes. Not saying that we God, but we don't make mistakes. We have lessons. That's just how I like to think about it.
Really saving, because I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Your girl Kay, she like the nicer things in life, the finer things in life, and I feel like no, that's not bougie. It's a difference.
You're bougie.
I'm not.
Well, I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. I mean, I just know you like the finer things.
But that's not. You don't gotta be bougie to like the finer things in life.
You don't, but you're hot end.
Okay, but that's not bougie.
Okay.
Because I like the finer things in life, I feel like, you know, of course, if I'm gonna work hard for it, I'm gonna go get it. And so I feel like as of now, I've cut down on, you know, the stuff I might see, maybe some shoes or some clothes or whatever the case may be, and just really focus and save my money and put it towards where I want it to go.
Man, I like the finer things in life too, but at the same time, you know, I can go shop at Costco and get me a little sweatshirt for about $20. You know, shout out Costco. If y'all haven't been out to Costco, bro, get your Costco membership card, man. I'm talking about, they got the most comfortable clothes you ever think of, man. Like, I got some sweatshirts, some sweatpants and stuff like that. I got like 4 pairs of sweatpants for about, what, $40 there?
That's not bad.
That's not bad.
I'm not saying nothing's wrong with those spots either, like Ross, TJ Maxx, Marshalls.
None TJ Maxx, you be finding gems in TJ Maxx.
Nothing's wrong with none of that. I just...
So, for the next segment, you know, we talked about 2024. We talked about a lot of different stuff. So, how you feel like you gonna improve in 2025, or what's your goals in 2025 that you wanna set
personal
for your
goals?
standard? Yeah, personal goals.
Okay, personal goals. Personally, saving money, and oh, another thing, if y'all don't know, besides this channel, I do have a personal channel, y'all. So make sure y'all go follow that, subscribe to that. Hey Quest is the name. But besides that, this channel, honestly, we want to make sure we going up, you know, into 2026, 2027, and furthermore. What's your personal goals?
My personal goals, you know, is just to, you know, be more family oriented, you know, spending time with the fam. You know, hopefully we go on some trips this year, other than Mexico, if that falls through. I want to go to a lot of different places. I have never been outside of the country, so this will be my first time outside of the country.
It's a good experience.
Yeah. I want to go, number one, Mexico. I want to go to UK, Turks and Caicos, Italy, you know. I have a lot of different places I gotta go, but you gotta have money to do it. So
gotta save, y'all.
Yeah. So speaking on you saving, I gotta save too. But another goal is like I'm in a weight loss journey process. You know, trying to lose some weight, trying to lose my dead body. You know, trying to get back in shape. Trying to at least lose like 35 pounds a month. That's my goal. So if I can do in between that, I feel like I'm seeing progress. Then I want to keep doing that. And my third one, I don't think I really have a third one.
You don't have a third one?
No.
Okay, that's cool. Getting in shape is important, y'all.
Yeah.
Just make sure.
I ain't
gonna tell y'all what to do with y'all bodies, but just, you know.
I feel like I want to do it just for overall health.
Yeah,
you know,
of course.
Looking the part and also actually being healthy.
Playing the part.
Yeah.
What do y'all say? You look good, you feel good. You feel good, you play good. You play good, you get paid good. So for sure. But
hey, yeah, trying to get that. You know, getting back into the gym recently about a week ago. So learning how to.
Y'all clap it up for him.
Self-motivation. I mean, they want self-motivation, but I need y'all support to help me through it. I'm gonna give y'all updates probably like every 2 episodes to see where I'm at, you know, so y'all won't think I'm just saying like every other person and they quit by the second week of January. So, not a quitter.
Hey y'all, so we've talked about everything so far, and last thing we got to talk about is what goals we got for you guys coming into 2025. So, let's get into it.
I feel like the goals I got for ourselves and our channel and our, you know, audience is expect more content, you know.
Lots of content, y'all.
And I'm not just talking about dropping every week and stuff like that. I'm talking about we're gonna try to do different stuff. Like I said, I'm going to Mexico, so I'm gonna try to, you know, record, do a little vlog out there, mini vlog, so when we come back, we can put it in the video so y'all can see the trip, and especially pranks, you know, challenges and stuff like that. So I expect a lot more different stuff from us. You know, it's gonna be a podcast, but it's gonna be
a different type of podcast.
There we go.
You know what I'm saying? So,
man, they're going crazy out here, y'all. They're going crazy.
I wish they would. Somebody shoot off a little firework so
yeah,
we could see it.
They did it a little earlier, so
it's about that time. It's almost New Year's. We about to count down for y'all. So if y'all ready, let's get it.
Get you a glass of water.
Count with us. You know.
He look glass of
water. So, y'all ready?
What time is it? Current time is 11:59. 15, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Grab your drinks.
5, 4. Celebrate with us.
3, 2025.
2, 1. Happy New Year! Come on, you about it. Thank y'all for tuning in with us.
Appreciate y'all for watching. First, before we go though, we want to say cheers to everybody out there. Happy New Year, more blessings. For us, better wealth, better health. For y'all too as well.
You know, y'all fam, we fam together. So y'all part of the Caring Our family. So
we love y'all.
Yeah, and like Kay said, you know, wealth, health, all that. But we'll make sure y'all know we appreciate y'all. And
there it go.
Oh, it's back there, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see it. You probably can't, but they're shooting them fires.
Why didn't it go off?
I don't know, but they shot that all wrong.
Yeah,
but yeah.
Why didn't it go off?
That's what I was saying. We all family. Appreciate y'all support.
Appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure y'all tune in. If y'all haven't seen any of our other videos, make sure y'all check them out. It's going to be up here as well.
Share,
Share
comment.
video. Comment. We love y'all. We appreciate y'all. It's your girl K.
It's your boy R.
Happy New Year. And we out. Hey. Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year to y'all, man. Y'all excited for 2025? Let me know. I am.
3.
YouTube.
What's up? Welcome back to another.
Y'all? What? What? I thought was you not flowing?
Yeah. My fault.
More knowledge. Like, gain more knowledge over time.
Yeah.
Oh, now you see it. Now you see it. You put the chin strap on?
No. What time is it?
It is
5 seconds? 5.
We got 10. They started 10.
Oh, okay. Go ahead. Okay.
Oh, there was a Happy New Year.
So them motherfuckers is hours early.
I was like, them niggas is drunk. Damn, my hat all twisted. All right, let go.